Menteri Ketenat Ports, Shipping and Highways Sarbananda Sonowal mentakasngi ula Pynshai halor ke Jingkylla ke Pynshai duri kimat rekam jangka sorkar balayalam da ke BJP da ke Bapenram bakal laki ubah ke kerdan ke baide ber ke Rukom bat ke Jingshan jangki nong hakini khatoi teligi Snem ke Leit haba Jingkylla jikila pathai khubor halor ka Viksit Bharat ke Amritkal ke Jingrakhi ke bala pala chipo Snem jangka Synshar ke Jing Shakri bat ka bha kamiat jangki patba hasil convention center Shillong Sonowal la pensyong nongrem ya ke Jingkylla ha ka yok kapat hakari bat ke Synshar ka bakhut ke basuba ula kentho baki jing persyang jong ke sorkar kalong ka kamram ban peniklan shushu ya kari hakini ki khatwai teli ki Snem ka jing job jong ke sorkar omba ka ajing mentoy takin yakin nong shnong hakari hende la ithuru ikikam ki jongka wat chadu shabar jong kari ya ke India latip kum kari ke ba kiu state ha ka yok kakot bat ke bala penkre bandong kari ke balai ke ban kiu ha ka yok kakot ha ka perthai hakini kisan Snem banwan la pembena Sonowal.
So you have seen the growth. What's your name? Yeah, come. All the students come here. Under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it's all been achieved. Okay. If you go through marking milestone, making history, these are the figures. All being actually presented to make them better understand. 11 years. Seva, Susasan, Garib Bega. This is service, and this is Susasan, good governance. Service to the like. This is Jasat or Vikas, this development and heritage.
What's it ready?
Along with the development, whatever education we have, this can become new engine for the country. So this is the potentialities he has discovered and ultimately made every councillor minister understand, every senior official understand, and also like every citizen of the country understand about Northeast potential. So then he has started different kind of initiative, and which has resulted ultimately Northeast now become one of the fastest growing development region of the country. Whether connectivity, communication, whether it is institutional growth, and whether it is industrial growth, manufacture, service sector, everywhere, and also creating the ecosystem of connectivity, particularly airport, greenfield airports, and also doubling the railway track, electrification railway track, and also connecting the northern state capital headquarters through the roads and also railways, and also giving special emphasis for the development of the national waterways, and ultimately created ecosystem, which has resulted now to make Northeast one of the leading important kind of zone for the entire country, and ultimately Honorable Prime Minister has given very clear direction that in the near future Northeast must be the important hub of the entire Southeast Asia. So this is the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the support, and ultimately every Council of Ministers visited this region more than 800 times, and Honorable Prime Minister himself visited more than 70 times. So this reflects his earnest effort and also his honest effort for the growth of Northeast, and we are really grateful to Honorable Prime Minister. In the 11 years, whatever he has done, it is unique. Now peace has come back to Northeast. During Congress time, it is they who sponsors terrorists here, and because of their sponsorship, terrorist activity had come up and ultimately created entire region, this most disturbing region. But Honorable Prime Minister and also Home Minister Amit Shah ji, they have taken a lot of initiative and negotiated. Ultimately, peace has come back to us in the region, and thousands of extremists have laid down their arms and joined in the mainstream to make India powerful. So I believe that's the way. Now you have seen more than from 74% places, APSA has been withdrawn.